Hello Raiders, welcome back to new video. Today I am going to unbox the WD-40 spray, which is mostly used as motorcycle chain cleaning and lubricating purpose. Let me quickly open the box and reveal WD-40 spray for your bike. I have ordered it from Flipkart and I will leave a link in the description for your easy access for purchase. If you have any questions regarding this product, write them in the comment section below and I will answer to all your questions. Now here is the WD-40 spray inside the box with the safety wrap. It's a multi-use product for thousands of usages. It's manufactured in UK and originally made in UK. The net weight is 341 grams, which is equal to 420 ml. At the bottom there is a date of manufacture. Most of the bike riders use this spray for maintenance and I will upload another video with its usage and review. Pidilite Industries imported it to India and marketed it here. Exclusive for India but made in UK. Major usages are: stops squeaks, drives out moisture, cleans and protects, loosens rusted parts, frees sticky mechanisms. Let's check the head of the spray. Remove the tape and open the cap. There is an extender pipe given to spray around for hard to reach areas. Here are the international UK customer care numbers as well as the website address. Directions for usage is given both in English as well as in Hindi languages. Some of the displayed usages are: loosens nuts and bolts, lubricates and protects air tools, lubricates and protects machinery from rust, keeps ball bearings dry, protects electric terminals, protects PCB, dielectric strength of 38,000 volts. Hope this video is helpful to take a look before you order it. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a safe and happy ride.